In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize cloud storage to create a team content folder. With that team content folder, you can share it with as many people as you want, and they can be active contributors to that content folder. It's an easy process, simple to do. The first thing you're going to need to do is you are going to have a cloud storage of some type. For this example, I'm going to show you Dropbox. I'm going to use Dropbox. It can be done with SkyDrive, Google Drive. I think SugarSync and Box support it as well. They all have their positive and negative sides of it, so just be aware of that. So in SkyDrive, I know I can share it with myself, but I can't share it with lots of other people. Dropbox, I can share it with lots of other people, but they can modify and delete stuff that I may not want them to delete. So they all have their pluses and minuses. Like I said, this one, I'm going to utilize Dropbox because I want to be able to share this with other teachers. So we're all active contributors to this content folder, and they can add and delete stuff, and I have access to it. What's also nice is it can be utilized because I'm using cloud storage. I can use it at home, and I can use it at school. I can use it anywhere I want to use it as long as I have Dropbox installed and configured. So the first thing we need to do, now that we have our cloud storage already installed and configured and ready to go on the computer, I opened up Notebook. I need to go to my gallery. Inside my gallery, we have our typical gallery things: my content, gallery essentials, lesson activity toolkit, activity examples. Those are all built in there. What I'm going to go to is there's this little drop down arrow that says show additional gallery actions. A lot of people don't even know that's there. They completely ignore it. If you click on that drop down, you're going to get a command in here called connect to team content. So I'm going to connect to team content. When I do this, it's going to prompt me with a little box. It's going to show me all these different folders. I need to go to my Dropbox or whatever cloud storage you happen to be using. My Dropbox is in an unusual location. So here's my Dropbox. I'm going to make myself a new folder because that's something I need. I'm going to need a new folder for this. So let me create a new folder, and I'll just call this one my Smart Demo. Oh, it's changing my names on me. Okay, Smart Demo. That's the name of my folder. Okay, that's where I'm going to share this content with multiple people. So here's my Smart Demo. I click OK and make sure it's selected before you hit OK. Click OK. It's going to tell you you're connecting to a team content, but there's no content there. Do you want to set it up as a new content location? Yes, I do. So I click on yes. As soon as I click on yes, it disappears. You don't really see anything. How you verify it on my gallery, if I scroll down, I now have a little folder in here that says Smart Demo. That is my new folder. That is my team content folder. When I click on it, of course, there's nothing in it because it's brand new. It's blank. If I pull up my Dropbox, you will see here I'm in my Dropbox folder. Here is my folder Smart Demo. When I go into Smart Demo, you will see a little file in there, single file. It's not very big. Don't delete that. That is kind of like your table of contents folder. That file is needed by Smart. Smart Notebook needs that file to index your content. Now that I have created it, I can start adding anything I need. Just like I would just like a My Content folder, I can add anything I need in here that is supported by the gallery. So in a case like this, maybe I just want to use all these cloud storage icons. I'm going to take those and simply drag them in here. I can drag it here, I can drag it up here, I can go either place. When I add it, you'll see, and now I have 5 pictures stored in my content. These files are now going to utilize Dropbox to synchronize. So now that those files are in there, you'll see there's my files. They're synchronizing with Dropbox. Now that I have done that, I can take that Dropbox folder and share it with anybody else who's got a Dropbox. Once it's shared with their Dropbox account, those files are going to download to their computer. They download them to their computer, they go into Smart Notebook, they click on the same drop down, connect to a team content, they need to browse to that content folder just like I did before. The first time I created it, Now I'm actually going in here and I'm going to browse to it and connect to it. Click OK, and it will add this folder to their computer. Now they have the same ability you have. They can add content in there. They can delete content. You can add content and it will synchronize back with them. The nice part about cloud storage is how it synchronizes between devices. You create this at home, at school. You go home, installs Notebook on your home computer, install Dropbox, connect the same way on your home computer. Now all the content items that you stored at school are accessible at home, and vice versa. This saves you a lot of trouble because now I don't have to worry about, oh, I left that at school on my school computer and I forgot to back up my content. That's another beautiful part because I have my content that I can come in here and export as a means of backing it up, but yet I forget quite frequently. Computer gets erased and I lose all my content. The nice part on this is because I'm utilizing cloud storage, it stays. I have access to this team content folder even after the computer's been wiped out. I just reinstall Notebook. I come right back in here, connect to the folder after installing Dropbox, connect to the folder, and now I've got access again. And again, it stores all that. You can synchronize back and forth, quick, simple, and easy. Thank you for joining me. Have a nice day.